Hey guys, Rocket Garage, and I wanted to show an example of finest Italian engineering on his best. Look, do you know this model? Some of you know, but some not. It's Fiat Argenta. It's first facelift version, and look how bad it was prepared in these days, because rusted doors on the upper side I never seen in my life. Everything is gone. It rusted so badly. Anyways, the model is very nice. It's shame that Fiat went this road, and if it wasn't so rusty, I believe it would be similar to BMW 3 Series for that time. So this is the inside. Small OBD cluster, some Italian engineering gauges, the horns, front electric windows, some interesting stuff it has. Look, the glove box opens like that. Another glove box here. By the way, the upper part of it's some kind of, I don't know, it's like artificial leather, I don't know. I heard that they have sun visors like that. It goes in. It never, look, you won't see this very often. Very interesting bits here as well on the side. It's stuck, but still operational.